Good evening. This is the
Hello.
last night
This
of
is my
Aya
last
sleeping in our
night
house.
sleeping in this house. What's surprising? You cannot see me again. This is the last night, but the last vlog is I think tomorrow. But this is the last night I'm sleeping here because I have school for 4 days. After the school 4 days, nope, I'm still not sleeping here. I'm going to Bicol. After I go to Bicol, still not sleeping here. I need to pack my luggage to go to another country. And in that other country is I'm gonna live there. Surprisingly long. I'm gonna take 10 years for
Yeah.
that because I already have a job, so I could pay for everything to go here. But when I go here, the first place I'm sleeping is here in this bed that I remember, in this bed with the aircon, with cabinets, with the chair, with the electric fan, with the mirror, with the perfume, with everything.
Yeah.
But maybe this room's gonna
And
change.
I wake up at 9 o'clock every day because no school.
Yeah.
Holiday.
But now
School
I
vacation.
have school, but I'm only going for 4 days. But I'm still not sleeping here. So that is the worst news ever. No. So you can interview mo now. Interview.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What is your name?
Ariabella Sangki Contreras.
What grade this coming?
This pasukan, I'm gonna be grade 5.
Then how's your vacation from school?
Great.
Oh.
I like vacations.
Are you honor? School?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
good.
this grade 5, I hope I'm still honor.
I hope.
So pray for me.
And then interview. How's your work in the store, in the market?
Turns out so awesome. I made 2,000 pesos already.
Including your piggy bank money?
Yeah. So I'm making 200 pesos. Now I'm gonna save up, and so now it's like 270 plus.
2,000.
2,700 plus pesos.
Yeah, your money.
And then tomorrow I'm gonna get another 50, so I'm gonna get like 2,000 plus.
Okay.
Or maybe 700 or 800.
Okay.
But I'm praying to have lots more money. And tomorrow I'm gonna buy Cornetto, and April Lady Vivian's vlog is gonna video me.
This vacation you been fat.
Yeah.
And beautiful.
Getting fat.
And beautiful.
And beautiful. My favorite animal is a puppy and a cat and a gecko. I want a gecko.
What is gecko?
Is a gecko is like a kind of lizard.
Lizard.
Para siyang lizard kaso mas mataba.
Okay.
And I've been wanting a snake.
You want?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I want birds. I mean, about the snake, I don't know if I could adopt one or get one or find one that is friendly. And I need one for like anti-allergy. Like, ganon yung parang, because my mom has allergies from like any kind of animal, like a dog or a cat. My mom has allergies, so I'm gonna buy that. Like, she can't like, it's like not have like damn. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot what it's called. It's just like Senate. Huh? It's
Okay.
Like good for mom.
Okay.
For my mom. It's like
Mm.
anti anti anti. Wait, let me think first. Anti-allergy animal or pet or whatever.
Mm.
I need like that kind of puppy because my mom has allergies.
Okay, okay. Oh, we need to sleep now.
But I still have so much energy. I don't even drink coffee, but somehow I still have energy.
Mm.
Guys, I'm hyper. Like hyper. Like
Mm.
hyper.
You're hyper?
Yeah. I'm not that hyper, I'm just hyper. I have a lot of energy.
Okay.
I don't even sleep in the afternoon and I still have a lot of energy.
Because you wake up at 9 o'clock. That's why
But
you
it's not healthy.
you not sleepy in afternoon.
People say if you wake up in the morning early, that means you're healthy. But I always wake up late, like 10
And
or 9.
because vacation from school,
Yeah, I could have a
you
deep
need to
sleep.
sleep
Yeah,
well.
I am a bit of a deep sleeper.
Okay.
I'm a deep sleeper. I always sleep deep, like even if I like sleep in 9 or 8, I still wake up at 10. Seriously, 10.
10 a.m.
Yeah,
You want to
yeah,
wake up.
yeah.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
so it's so hot here. So hot.
Yeah.
My feet is the only thing that's getting cold because my feet is nakatapat sa aircon and the aircon is not hitting me because I want the aircon to hit me because the aircon is cold and I love cold.
Feeling like in a Baguio.
Yeah, but
I'm
I like Baguio. It's so cold.
Okay, that's all for tonight.
That's all for tonight. See you
Good
tomorrow.
night.
Bye.
Bye.